Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one way to add multiple strands of rope to your work. The possibilities are endless once you've got this technique down. You can use it to create rainbows, thick straight lines, thick curved lines, to incorporate color, and so on. For your setup, cut 3 pieces of rope, each piece is approximately 2 meters long. Fold in half and attach the 3 pieces of rope to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Cut another 6 pieces of rope, each piece is 20 inches long. We will use these as our filler cords. Feel free to use less or more rope, just keep in mind that less rope will create a thinner line and more rope will create a thicker line. Bring the rope in front of your work and tie 6 double half hitch knots around all filler cords. If you're interested in creating a rainbow, use this exact same process and add in a few more rows of double half hitch knots underneath this row using new filler cords. I'll show you a couple of options to finish it off. You can trim the ends and leave as is, or you can cut the ends short and brush them out. Stay tuned for Monday's tutorial as I will be showing you in detail how to create curves and twists using the same method. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.